I am the ghost of the Uchiha.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sandfielder. So today we are up with a new mod. So today we are going to install a flasher in my Himalayan. So it costed me around 750 rupees. So if anyone interested to buy, I can courier it to you. So just comment down in the comment section. So you can use it as a flasher as well as a fog lamp. So here it is, Moto LED car flasher. So the build quality is really very good guys for this price, and you also get a clamp like this with a bolt and a nut. Unfortunately you will not get switches with the box, you have to buy them separately. So one switch will be for the flasher and other one will be for the fog lamps. Okay, now let me teach you how to install in this in any bike or a car as well. So first you want to select the place where you want to keep your flashers. So I'll be keeping it below my tank. I already installed it, so it looks pretty awesome during the night. So I have chosen the that place to install the light, and then you will have to install two switches. One will be for the fog lamps and other one for the flasher. So I couldn't make the video while wiring, so if you are really interested to know how to install them, so please comment down below. I'll make another video on it and install the same light on other bikes as well. If you want these kind of lights, please DM me or comment down below. I can courier it to your place. Courier charges will be extra and the light will cost you just 750 rupees. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.